Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the growing popularity of dandelion tea? This humble brew, made from the often overlooked dandelion plant, might just be the wellness boost you didn't know you needed. Dandelion tea has been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine, but today, it's gaining attention for its impressive health benefits. If you're looking for a natural way to support your well-being, stay tuned. In this video, we'll uncover 7 incredible reasons why you should consider adding dandelion tea to your daily routine. Many of us struggle with sluggish digestion, low energy, or finding ways to detoxify our bodies naturally. These challenges can make it difficult to feel our best every day. Could a simple cup of tea be the answer? Let's explore how dandelion tea can transform your health. From supporting liver detox and improving digestion to boosting skin health and strengthening immunity, this tea packs a powerful punch. It's also rich in antioxidants, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and may even support weight management. Whether you enjoy its earthy flavor or appreciate its medicinal properties, dandelion tea offers a holistic approach to better health. One of the most exciting benefits is its ability to aid in liver health. The liver is our body's detox powerhouse, and dandelion tea helps it function more efficiently. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and knowing you're doing something great for your overall health all by sipping on this remarkable tea. In summary, dandelion tea is more than just a trendy beverage. It's a time-tested remedy that can address several modern health concerns. Why not give it a try and experience these benefits for yourself? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences with dandelion tea. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on more wellness tips.